Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about EndoPeak, a powerful male performance supplement designed to help men achieve stronger erections, improve sexual performance, and increase overall confidence. EndoPeak is a unique blend of natural ingredients that work together to promote healthy blood flow, increase testosterone levels, and increase overall male energy. This allows men to experience stronger, more satisfying sexual experiences and achieve optimal performance in the bedroom. One of the key ingredients in EndoPeak is maca, a natural energizing substance that has been used in traditional Peruvian medicine for centuries. Maca helps increase sexual desire and performance while supporting overall physical and mental well-being. Another powerful ingredient in EndoPeak is tonkat ali, an ancient Asian herb known for its sexual stimulation properties. It helps improve sexual function and supports overall male health. EndoPeak also contains a carefully selected blend of natural extracts and vitamins, including ginkgo biloba, saw palmetto, and L-arginine. These ingredients work together to promote healthy blood flow, improve sexual motivation, and increase overall male performance. In addition to its effective ingredients, EndoPeak is formulated to be free of harmful fillers and additives, making it a safe and effective choice for men looking to improve their sexual performance. In conclusion, EndoPeak is a powerful male performance supplement that offers a unique combination of natural ingredients, designed to help men achieve stronger and more satisfying erections. With its maca, tonkat ali, and other natural ingredients, EndoPeak supports healthy blood flow, boosts testosterone levels, and boosts overall male energy, making it an excellent choice for men looking to improve their sexual performance. Try EndoPeak and experience the difference for yourself.